Friends, today we're going to unbox something you've been wanting for a long time. Here is a sealed box. Let's see what surprises await us inside. The sound of unwrapping is my favorite part of the unboxing experience. Let's open the box. Wow, looking at it, it feels quite premium at first sight. The finishing is excellent. And take a look at this amazing new smartphone. It's incredibly sleek and has a fantastic design. Check out this button here, it's so responsive. Alright, in the box we get a fast charger, a Type-C cable, and some user manuals. Take a close-up look at the main feature here, the camera. It's the core attraction. Observe the details, they're truly outstanding. I can't believe these features are available at such a low budget. I'm just so impressed. Side-mounted sensor and ports ni perfect ga place chesaru. Holding this gadget feels incredible. Its design and color combination will elevate your personality. The official price and detailed information are provided in the description. So take a look there to get all the details. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.